If you're tired of messy request processes and endless back and forth emails, this guide is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to streamline requests using Asana Forms, a powerful feature that keeps everything organized and easy to manage. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and share a form that simplifies the way your team works. Let's dive in. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're in, head over to the project where you'd like to manage requests. Inside the project space, look for the Customize button. This is where you can tailor the project to your needs. Among the options, you'll see Forms. Click that, and then hit Add to create your very first form. Now, this is where the magic happens. Think about the type of requests you want to capture, whether it's design requests, IT support, content submissions, or anything else. Use the form editor to build clear, structured questions that make sense for your workflow. You can add short answers, multiple choice options, and even file upload fields so that you collect all the details you need right from the start. Don't forget about custom fields. If your project already uses fields like priority status or deadlines, you can integrate them into your form. That way, every submission is automatically tied to your existing project structure, saving you the hassle of manual updates later. Once your form is ready and you've customized it to capture exactly what you need, hit Publish. Asana will generate a shareable link for you. Copy it, send it to your team, clients, or anyone who needs to make a request, and watch as all their submissions land neatly inside your project as new tasks, organized, consistent, and ready for action. And that's it. You've just created a streamlined request system in Asana using forms. No more scattered details, no more chasing people for missing information, just a smooth process that gives you clarity and control over your projects. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.